My dear friends, am I audible? Is my screen visible to you?
Yeah.
Is my screen visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Today, my dear friends, it is a new batch starting from today. It is the add-on batch. All right. First of all, let me introduce. My name is M.C.P. Saheb. I can teach the subjects C language, C++, Java, Python, data structures, and web technologies. These subjects I can teach very well. I have 22 plus years of teaching experience. Duration of batch is 45 days. Batch timing is 8 to 9 p.m. Right, batch start date. Today is the start date 03/04/2024. It is about the class. I will take the class from Monday to Friday. We don't have any class on Saturday and Sunday. On Saturday, I will be in journey always. So I cannot take the class on Saturday. Weekends are holidays. My dear friends, it is about my introduction. My dear friends, today I am going to explain you what is the history of C language. My dear friends, there are so many languages in the world. C language, C++, Java, DS, Python, Fox Pro. So many programming languages, so many high-level programming languages are there. One of the popular high-level programming language is BCPL. BCPL stands for Basic Combined Programming Language. It was developed by Martin Richard. He is the developer of BCPL. This language was developed at the time of older days. At that time, they are using one operating system, that is DOS. Now we are using Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Android operating system we are using. At the time of BCPL, they are using one operating system that is called DOS. Actually, DOS is a single user operating system. What is the meaning of single user? Single user means it can support you to only one person at a time. Only one person can use this operating system at a time. Multiple persons cannot use this operating system at a time. To use the computer resources efficiently, these peoples want to develop a multi-user operating system. They started develop this multi-user operating system using BCPL. But BCPL is a inefficient programming language. Using this, they cannot develop this multi-user operating system. Then they developed a new programming language, and it is named as the first letter of BCPL, B. So from BCPL, a new language was developed. That language was called B. Who is the developer of B? It was developed by Ken Thompson. Ken Thompson, he is the developer. By using B language, they successfully developed a multi-user operating system. It was named as Multics. Multics is a programming language just like as Unix and Linux and Windows. It is an operating system which will support multiple users at a time. But these two programming languages, BCPL, B, these two are called typeless programming languages. BCPL and B are called typeless programming languages. What is the meaning of typeless? Means it doesn't support the data types. It doesn't support data types. It means these two languages does not support data types. So the language which doesn't support data types is called as typeless programming languages. Then there is a person, his name is called Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie, he developed a new programming language and introduced data types. What is the meaning of data type? My dear friends, whenever you go to cool drink shop, there are so many types of cool drinks. Thumbs up, Mazda, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, like that. Those are called types of drinks. Now I am talking about types of data. Those are called data types. So Dennis Ritchie developed a new programming language and introduced data types. That new programming language was called as, what is the second letter of BCPL? C. So it is named as C. So from B language, C language was developed. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year of 1972 at a laboratory. Its name is AT&T. AT&T laboratory on a computer which is having Unix operating system. A computer which is having Unix operating system. The language C is a typed programming language. C is a typed programming language. Means it supports data types. It supports data types. So it is about the history of C programming language. My dear friends, we have 5 free demo classes. After completion of 5 free demo classes, I will create a WhatsApp group to you. I will send this material every day to you. Then you need not to note it down. Up to the free demo classes, you need to note down this. Why? Because I don't have your contact numbers. We don't have any WhatsApp group. So I cannot send this material to you up to free demo classes are completed. Once the free demo classes are completed, then I will send this material every day to you. And I will send this recording session every day to you. Now please note down this. History of C language, note down.
Excuse me, sir.
Amma, tell me. Okay.
Sir, is Unix operating system?
Yes, Unix is an operating system. A computer which is having Unix operating system, on that language, on that operating system, C language was developed. Clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Every computer will have an operating system, no? C language was developed on one computer. On that computer, operating system is Unix. Amma, if it is completed, then please tell me. I will go to the next concept. After completion of writing.
Yes, sir. Completed.
My dear friends, I want to tell you one thing. You need not to leave the class with doubts. I am here to clear your doubts. Whenever you got a doubt, please unmute your mic and ask me. I will clear your doubts. Okay? Right. Second one is, don't waste your time. Once you completed, then tell me, sir, completed. Go to the next topic. Right? Go ahead. My next topic is how to write a sample C program. How to write a sample C program. My dear friends, I want to construct a house. To construct a house, I need bricks, I need iron, I need cement. Okay, so many things I need. From where I need to bring all these things? All these things are available in different shops. Am I right? Iron shop, cement shop. From this shop, we need to purchase and we need to bring. Then you can build a house. In the same manner, here I need to build an application. To build an application, we need to read the data, we need to print the result. To read and to print, we require some tools like printf and scanf, like that. These tools are already developed and kept in shops. Here shops are nothing but header files. Header files. These applications, to build an application, we require printf and scanf. These already developed and kept in header files. The header file name is stdio.h. std means standard. IO means input and output. H means header file. To use these two functions, we need to include this header file. How to include? Like this, hash include stdio.h. Whenever you write this line of code, the content of this file will be copied into your program so that you can use these functions and you can build your applications easily. Got it? Why we need to write this line? To build our applications, we need some tools like printf and scanf. Those tools are available in stdio.h. Before going to use these tools, we need to copy those into our program. To copy the content of this header file, we need to write this line. Now, we need to write the solution inside the main method. Main method will be like this, void main. Inside these two curly brackets, we need to write the solution. It is called processing statements. Processing statement. It is the sample C program. Here, my dear friends, the first line, it is called as include statements. Include statements. The selected data, it is called as main method. What is that? It is called as main method. Inside these two curly brackets, you need to write the solution to the program. That solution is called as processing statements. In every C program, you need to write an include statement, you need to write a main method, you need to write the solution. So any program will have three types of statements. One is include statement. Second one is main method. Third one is processing statements. Now, my dear friends, what is the meaning of include statement? Why we need to write this? Include statement. In any C program, you need to write this line on top of the program. So it is called the first statement. It is the first statement. Hash include stdio.h. You have to write on top. So it is the first statement in any C program. It always begins with a hash symbol. It is called hash symbol. What is the use of writing this line? It copy the content of stdio.h into your program. It copy the content, means data of which file? stdio.h, this file, into our program. Using this header file, we can build our program easily. Using this, we can build our program easily. So it is the first statement. It always begins with a hash symbol. It copy the content of header file into our program. It is also called as one more name. It is also called as preprocessor directive. Preprocessor directive. What is the meaning of preprocessor? To understand what is preprocessor, I will give a small example. In examination in 10th class, we have final examination, am I right? Final exam. In 10th class, before final exam, we have pre-final exam, am I right? Pre-final exam we have. First, we need to write the pre-final exam, then we can write the final exam. There are two steps in 10th class. Here also, we write the program in English, but computer cannot understand English. Then what to do? What you write in English, it should be converted into machine understandable language. Machine understandable language. The converting the English into machine understandable is called as compilation. Compilation. After compilation, what you write in English, that will be converted into machine understandable language. Then machine can understand. Then machine will execute. That execution is nothing but running the program. First, we need to compile the program. Then we need to run the program. There are two stages. To run the program, first we need to compile. Then we need to run. This line will be executed at the time of compilation. Compilation time, it will be executed at the time of compilation. So it is called preprocessor. It will be executed before the running. So it will execute at compile time. At compile time. So it is called preprocessor. 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 It will give direction to compiler, so it is called directive. It will give direction to compiler, so it is called directive. Who is called compiler? Who will convert your program into machine understandable? That software is called as compiler. Compiler is a software which will convert your program into machine understandable. So it is called, it is about the include statements. Next, what is main method? What is the use of main method? Why we need to write it? See here, it is your program. In real life, you will write a lot of lines of code. Suppose I write 1 lakh lines of code. From that 1 lakh lines of code, from where I need to start the execution? Your program always start execution from main method. So main method is the first executable statement. Simply it is called entry point into your program. So it is the entry point. It is the entry point. It is the first executable statement. It is the first executable statement. In any program, you have to write at least one main method. So it is mandatory. Mandatory means compulsory. It is so useful, it is compulsory. But you cannot write multiple main methods. Only one main method you have to write. It cannot be duplicated. Duplicate main methods you cannot write. It is core. Core means very, very important. It is very, very important. Inside the main method, we need to write the solution to the program. So you need to define this. So it is called user defined. It is not a system defined. You need to define. You need to write the code. So it is called user defined. It is a user defined function. User defined function. So it is about the main method. You can write main method in 6 models. It has 6 models. In 6 models, you can write main method. Just like as main, you can write. You can write integer main also. You can write void main also. You can write main of void. It is also okay. Integer main of void. It is also okay. Void main of void. It is also okay. These 6 models are okay to write a main method. Next, processing statement means solution. The last statement is processing statements. Processing statement means solution. It will tell 3 things. One is what to do, what we need to do. Second one is how to do, how we need to do. Third one is when to do, when we need to do. The statements are the code which tells about these 3 are called as processing statements. These are the statements which explains about what to do, when to do, how to do in order to solve a problem. To solve a problem. It is about the sample C program. In any sample C program, you need to write this one. It is compulsory. Main method, it is compulsory. Solution, it is compulsory. Right, my dear friends? Note on this. Note it down.
sir.
Amma, speak out.
Slash include conio.h means what, sir?
Conio.
conio.h.
Conio means console input and output. Hash include conio ante console input dot h. Console input and output means it is a header file which is used to control the input and output devices. IO means input and output devices. Console means devices. Which devices? Input and output devices, right? In older systems, we will write get ch at end of the program. CLR SCR. Okay, before writing the program, we will write CLR SCR. Now we are not writing. So to work get ch
No
and
need to
CLR SCR, we need to write conio.h. Clear?
Yes, now no need to write, sir.
Now
It is not required.
Yes. Latest platforms are not requiring that.
Yes, they are updated.
Okay. In older systems means in Turbo C++ IDE, we need to write CLR SCR. Okay, then we are including that header file. Now we are not including CLR SCR, so we are not using conio.h. Okay, good.
Sir?
Amma, tell me.
Sir, why do we use void here? I did not understand the meaning of void.
My dear friends, main is a function. Function means a task. After doing any task, you will get some result. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So that result you can return or you can store within you. Suppose I ask you, what is the sum of 2 and 6? Then you may tell 2 and 6. What is the sum of 2 and 6? 8. Okay. You can tell me. That means I am giving 2 and 6. I am giving means these two are input to you. You are answering 8. 8 is the answer to me. That is the output to me. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So here void means now I am not going to return any output. It indicates that, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? It will be very understand in the functions topic. Why we need to write void, why we need to write integer, why we need to write float. Okay, it will be very clear in functions topic. Until that, you remember one thing: main method can be write in 6 models. It is one of the model. Whenever you use void, then you need not to write return 0. So you need not to write the return statement. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Can I scroll down?
Excuse me, sir.
Amma.
Yeah, I just had a question. You said in main method you have like 6 types we can write. So
Yes,
in
yes.
in that any of the 6 we can use, right? Instead of void main.
Yes, int main also you can use, main also you can use. Any one you can use. I am using the third one. That's it.
All right. Okay.
Good. Can I scroll down?
Excuse me, sir.
Amma.
Sir, in the include statement, sir, std stdio.h. What is the meaning of std, sir?
STD means standard. IO means input and output. H means header file. Standard input and output header file. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
It is used to perform input and output operations in our program. Can I scroll down? Up to include statements.
Yes, sir.
Can you scroll down? Right, my dear friends, it is about the today's topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, I will wind up the session. Sai Teja,
Sir,
Yashika, any doubt you have? Yashika, tell me.
No
yes,
doubt,
sir.
sir.
One question.
Ah,
Yeah, I just wanted to ask, after 5 days, will we be getting the recorded lectures of this first 5 days?
yes, yes, yes. You will get all. right?
Okay, sir.
Recording sessions and material you will get from first day.
Okay.
Okay.
And I will be getting the material after the first 5 lectures, right?
Yes.
All right.
Within
Okay.
these 5 are free demo classes.
Okay.
After completion of free demo classes, you need to pay the money. If you
All
pay the
right,
money,
sure.
we will send this material to you and recording sessions to you every day, right?
All right. All right. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Any other doubts? Okay, right. Thank you.
Is it a backup classes for old students, sir? No, for old
Yes.
students
Yes.
up to 5 classes.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Come on, tell me.
Sir, for every class, should we join through the same link or will you send a new link?
Yes. Same link.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.